Hey guys, it's me, and today we're doing another video, and today it's going to be an unboxing video on the Despicable Me fingerboard. I'm sorry about yesterday that I couldn't do the Halloween video. It's because I did get some footage, but then it got, well, my camera kind of died, so yep. So at the moment, we'll be doing this unboxing video. Later on in the year and next year, we will be doing more unboxing videos, gaming videos and skating videos. So let's get into it. It says here, Illumination Entertainment at the top. I don't think you guys can see that. It says HGL 4+, right there. Despicable Me, Minion made. Learn tricks, and it says here that it's a fingerboard. On the back, as you can see, it says Despicable Me, product name, Minion made. And it shows basically the other skateboard slash fingerboard designs that they've got on the back of the box. And this bubble wand, what you can also get from this. So as you can see on the box, the design is a minion based design. It's got all the minions next to each other, and that's part of the deck. And if you look here, the trucks are very, very big and chunky. Well, and the trucks look chunky, the wheels look huge, basically. Huge. The blue, it comes with a set of spare blue wheels and yellow wheels. It comes with a tool and 4 screws spare, which I'm guessing they're for screwing the trucks into the deck. So let's get into it. Okay, all the wheels fell out. Oh, the grip tape isn't too grippy. Not that grippy. It's only got 1 screw on each side. This isn't a proper tech deco, it's just something cheap that I thought I'd pick up for you guys to look at. I got this from the original factory store. So yeah, it looks like that. The design of the minions there, as you can see. Blue wheels, very big, chunky type. I recommend this for beginners, but I would change the grip tape. Tech decks are better though. The trucks are very spread out. Well, not wide, but the kind of bump up here to indent into the deck. So some of the wheels kind of fell out. There's some of the yellow ones, and that's with the blue ones too. There's some more. So these kind of spare wheels if you lose any, and if you want to change the colours, like it's got blue on it at the moment, you might one day want to change it to those yellow ones. So, yeah. It comes with these spare bolts, as I said, and it comes with this tool which is for doing the trucks. You can't really do it with the trucks though. This doesn't make sense. It only works on the wheels, I think. Yeah, and it just works on wheels. Oh, that is incredibly loose. Yeah, I would recommend tightening this before you use it because the wheels are very loose. If yours comes loose. It does not come with another tool like a screw like the Technic one. Because the Technic one's better because it's got this type of tool. A screw, so you can screw the bolts off and change the trucks if you want, or the deck. And, well, that's the main reason why it's better. And I'm not sure if it rides very smooth because of how big the wheels are. So let's put that tool and the wheels to one side. Right, so bye bye rubbish. Bye bye rubbish. And here comes my rubbish. Right, let's try doing some tricks with it. This is not going to work at all. But, ooh, little pop in there. Try a kickflip. Oh, I'm like a 180 kickflip. Oh, there's kickflip. Switch. Manual. I don't have my ramps with me at the moment because one of my friends just borrowed them for now. Not my Black River rail, but I can't find it and it's still on my skate pack and I'm not. Well, I can find it, but I'm not going to take it off of my skate pack because it's drilled in. So I've drilled it in now. But it still comes out a lot. So, wow. The wheels, I've already got some chips on them. That's not too good, but let's keep skating. Oh, that was nice. I'm rubbish at fingerboarding, I just do it for the fun basically. Oh, what was that? Oh, that was awesome. Yeah, I recommend if you guys are into fingerboarding, watch Mike Schneider's channel, iZilly. He's very, very good at making fingerboards. And stay tuned for my channel as I will be doing a video on how I make my fingerboards. There's paper fingerboards, but they're 96mm boards. So yeah, and if you want to get some fingerboards from my company, in the comments just tell me your address and PO box if you've got one, and I'll send you one of the fingerboards. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video. Out of 10, I give it a 6 or a 7 because the durability is not really that good. But the deck is decent. It's unfortunately not 96mm, but it does curve in, so it's like the original concave skateboard. The wheels too big. The screws are alright in the wheels, the light black ones. Truck's decent, but you can't actually do it with them because they don't screw in. Grip tape isn't too good, but for doing tricks it's fairly easy for a beginner, I suppose. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys.